Who down in Whoville liked Christmas a lot, but the Grinch, who lived just north of Whoville, did not.
You and your car riding in it, they love it.
Merry Christmas!
Who said V6, man?
That's what's going on, baby. Welcome to the crib, baby. Going on.
Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the car.
What up, chat? How y'all doing, man? What's going on, man? It's your boy Z1G. I was back here with another video. Being the Christmas parade for year number, I don't remember, but it's another year though. Had to put my shades on, even though I can't see nothing now. We done lit up the cat sign. We got the lit up cat sign on the side. Y'all see this shit right here, bro? That's some one-on-one shit again, bro. Also, I want to appreciate my boy Swag Pack Jackson coming down here in the good old caddy here from Woodstock. And he actually beat my cameraman behind y'all. I did on his car is what I wanted to do. My car ceramic coated and it wouldn't work. We couldn't get the lights to stick, so I was able to come up with putting my Hellcat sign. So y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Let's go. Y'all, so y'all check this out. I'm gonna explain to y'all. So I took 50 feet on both sides, and I went and traced my whole Hellcat sign all the way onto the window. Then way that way, all the way down. I got my name, my Hellcat sign. Boy, that was, man, I like to gave up, but I ain't gonna count. Going around all these letters was some bullshit. I ain't gonna lie to you, some bullshit. But we did make it and get it done, bro. It took me 2 hours. Both sides. 2 hours. But y'all see, the final outcome is we're gonna dig it in. So it's well worth it. Big back. What's up, bro?
Hello?
Yo, speak to them folk, bro.
Y'all see Nigel, most out of 10, you gonna see me. You gonna see me.
This is the big backs of all the big backs of the world, aka June Bug.
I'm a slash security guard too, man.
Oh yeah, so y'all go crazy. Y'all gonna see him. Go crazy. You gonna see him. You gotta deal with him and his big back activities. And it ain't gonna be too pretty. You can't see me?
I mean, I can see you, but I can't see you, yeah.
Gotta let them know right quick, you know. Let them know it's time to start. Gotta pull my video, bro. For me doing the one-of-one ski Hellcat sign, I gotta let them folk know they can do it. I'm doing it as a trendsetter, and it won't be them copying me.
Can't got the Rolls Royce stars in this guy.
Nothing is irregular with me, bro. Wait, I said that backwards. Nothing is regular with me. There we go.
What up, cuz?
What's up, bro? What's going on with you, bro?
Nothing much, heck yeah.
Where the car at, bro?
I'm just riding. Shoot, I'm on.
You in the parade with that, bro?
Heck no, I'm just riding around.
You can do a flip on that?
Huh?
You can do a flip?
Nah. It's 35 pounds. It's heavy. You can't get it in the air.
How fast that go?
20.
I'll beat you in a race.
No doubt. No doubt.
You ain't cold, bro?
Shoot, I'm straight.
Yeah, you light skin. You light skin. Hey, little nigga like me, I get cold, bro.
I believe it.
Hey, make sure you wear your seatbelt.
I know it.
Put your seatbelt on for that bit, bro.
Boy said mash out.
Now you know I can't do that, bro. What's up, bro? They want me to mash out, man.
Tim said he beat you in his truck.
We never raced nowhere, bro.
Look, hey, bro, he told me that, so man, you full of shit.
We weren't racing. He just was going fast, and I was just trying to like behind him. We weren't just actually like racing. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot more of them reactions, bro. We got a long way to go, bro. And no, I didn't lose. If y'all talking about us racing, I didn't lose. So don't believe that. That's BS. Can you talk, okay?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yo, that boy Javon. Thank you.
You go, Nigel. Merry Christmas. Oh, I like this song. Why you not at the game?
I had to take a break.
Why you ain't at the game?
I had to take a break. I couldn't take a break. Chill out, man. Chill out. Chill out. Kids be knowing who I am, bro. Like, makes me get teary-eyed.
Don't close your hair. They got the memo. They got life. Y'all got life. Y'all got the memo. That's how you do it. Like the inside.
They like my craft.
You see the stars on the inside.
They like my craft.
I think you just rolled over somebody's head.
I rolled over somebody's head?
Nah, I was a kid.
What's up, bro? What's going on with you, man?
Hit it!
Do it one time. It's slow, bro. It's slow. It don't go nowhere.
Hey, nah, you ain't fooling nobody.
It's slow, bro. It don't go nowhere, bro.
Oh,
It
you crazy.
don't go nowhere, bro. We got a long way to go, bro.
What, boy?
Oh, we got a long way to
We
go,
ain't
bro.
at the turn.
We ain't nowhere near the turn here, bro. What's up, my boy? Come on, you gonna get it, bro.
Go ahead.
Come on, bro. Thank you. Love you too. Bro, that's wild, bro. She came and get me down, man.
That's why I gotta come and get you down.
I gotta come and get you down. Hey, I like it.
Hey! Video! Don't do too much.
Hey, man, save, man.
Yeah, stay right there.
Hey, man, save, man.
Yeah.
My boy got delayed jacket in the back.
There's somebody right back there. I got you next year, though. Hit me up.
Hey, are y'all part of 507? This way? Are y'all with them?
We're behind them, man.
You're behind them? Y'all got a number?
What's your
You got a number, babe? Okay. 625. 625.
What's up, dog? Slow down, baby boy. I'm going slow, bro.
Feliz Navidad.
ain't swear you. Why don't swear your lane? Cause you want to hit it up now.
Where's your GoPro mount out?
He got it somewhere in the car.
I know he does.
I can smell my transmission. I can smell it. Everybody, you want me to hear it? I got car crying, and I don't mean from the wine. I mean it's tired. I know it is, bro. We need a bag of ice. 2 ASAP. Might be 3 of them. We about to the end, man. I want to say a big shout out to my cameraman. He hung out the window, looking like a duck the whole time, just to get great reactions for me, man.
Literally making me look cool as you know.
You got another room to burn out now?
We're not ready to do that. You a church boy?
Yes, sir, he is, bro. Hey, my boy was singing and singing his heart away, bro. It's a big shout out to KD, bro. Who said V6, man? So I want to lock this mug all the way down, bro. No traction control, no nothing. Yeah, and then I'm gonna end up getting you know, they gonna come to my house.
Unit.
Whole unit. This Christmas parade this year showed me that I gotta keep going hard at what I'm doing, man. There's a lot of people that really admire my work, admire my car, and admire my craft. All right, Swag, hit me up, bro. And also, big shout out to Swag. He came all the way down from Woodstock. I think we were the highlights of the parade.
Burn out on the ice, bro.
Burn out on the ice? Boy, we gonna be there right all in Sweetland, boy. Keep going when I'm going. Can't nothing stop me. This was a great day. I needed this to see that everybody supports me. And everybody loves Hellcat. So, hope y'all guys have really enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe out here. Bless up.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.